Hi guys, I am presenting in this example the perfect pitch for this roof. Now what is a perfect pitch? Well, if you look over here, we have kind of a house thing happening here, right? And we have the width of the house across here, which is 10.6. And we have right down the middle, because the pitch of a roof is an isosceles triangle, which means this side and that side is equal, which also means the base angles are the same. We're going to work with one side, don't need to work with both, but we're going to work with this side over here. Now, here's what the question asks. It says, find the pitch of a roof. What's the pitch of a roof? The pitch is this angle here. It's from the horizontal up, right? From the horizontal up is the pitch of the roof. That's what we are asked to find. Now there is some interesting information in here and some clues that we can find from the question. And what we got to notice is that the width of the whole house, or the width of the roof, is 10.6. That's not good to us because we just want this triangle in here. We pick one right-handed triangle. It's got to be a right angle triangle because you can't work it out any other way. There's our right angle. There's our pitch. Look at the height, it's 4.9. However, the width 10.6 goes all the way across. It goes over this little triangle here, so we've got to find this section there. So that's the first step. We're going to find what half that roof is so we can get that area. Then we're going to find out what kind of ratio it is. Is it a sine, a cos, or a tan? And then we're going to plug it in and get inverse, shift, whatever that trig ratio is. And then we're going to come up with an answer. We need to get it to the nearest minute, which means we've got to decide whether we go up or down. So let's go through it. First things first, let's find how wide it is right here. Now, if this is a perfect pitch to a roof, and that's an isosceles triangle, clearly that means straight down the middle, we can cut that 10.6 in half. So half of 10.6 is what? It's 5.3. So let's mark that in, 5.3. So this part here, across here, is 5.3. So now we have a beautiful right angle triangle there. Now we can work with this angle stuff. Okay, let's get the ratio. The ratio is going to be theta, this theta right over there, equals. Now let's take a closer look and see which sine, cos, or tan it is in fact. So if I was to draw arrows here, I would look straight opposite here, right across there, and we've got the 4.9, so we've got the opposite thing happening. And then right next to it down the bottom here, where the pitch of the horizontal roof here, right there, we have the 5.3. So that's called what? ADJ. ADJ, adjacent. So it is opposite over adjacent. Okay, what's opposite over adjacent? It is tan. We know about that, tan theta, opposite over adjacent. So let's put in the numbers. So opposite, right in front over here, is the 4.9. And then right across here in red is that 5.3. Okay, let's bring the tan theta down. Now, on the calculator, 4.9 divided by 5.3 is 0.9243. Let's go to at least 4 decimal places. That way we can be more accurate. Okay, let's bring down the tan theta again. Now we want to inverse tan when we bring it down. So we want to bring the theta, make it by itself individual, make it singular. So let's bring it down here. There's our theta, and that equals tan shift or inverse of that. Let's write it down again, 0.9243. Okay, when we put that in the calculator, shift tan 0.9243 gives us, and this will be a decimal degree, and it'll be 42.7543 degrees. Now all we have to do is transform it, shift it, change it into degrees, minutes, seconds. So theta is going to equal to, put it in, shift DMS or shift degrees, minutes, seconds, and that's going to yield So that's 42 degrees, 45 minutes and 15 seconds. Now, have a look at this 15 seconds. Is it below or above 30? It's below, which means what do we do with the minutes? We leave them as they are, don't we? So the final answer, the pitch, the angle right over there for this, and it's also the same angle on the other side, that there in green is
Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.